Hey everyone! Today we're taking a close look at the 2025 Ford Kuga, and let me tell you right off the bat, this isn't your average family hauler. Ford has done something special here, creating an SUV that's both practical and genuinely fun to drive. Starting at 32,000 pounds, the new Kuga sits right in the heart of the family SUV market, going head-to-head with favorites like the Hyundai Tucson and Peugeot 3008. But what makes this one different? Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about what's under the hood. Ford has gone all in on electrification here. You've got three choices: a 1.5-liter EcoBoost petrol with a manual gearbox, a full hybrid, or a plug-in hybrid, both using a 2.5-liter engine paired with electric motors. No more diesel options, folks. This is Ford's vision of the future. Now here's where things get interesting. Most family SUVs handle about as well as a sofa on wheels, but the Kuga, it's actually fun to drive. The steering is precise, body roll is well controlled, and you can actually enjoy throwing it into corners. It's clear that Ford has brought some of that Focus DNA into the mix. But there is a catch. If you go for the ST Line X with its 19-inch wheels, the ride can get pretty firm. It's not deal-breaking, but you might want to stick with the smaller wheels if comfort is your priority. Step inside, and the first thing you'll notice is the massive 13-inch touchscreen dominating the dashboard. It's standard across the range, and it's pretty good, responsive, clear, and easy to use. The interior itself? Well, it's functional rather than fancy. There are some hard plastics here and there, but hey, this isn't trying to be a luxury car. What it lacks in premium materials, it makes up for in equipment. Even the base titanium trim comes loaded with goodies. You get LED headlights, parking sensors front and back, a reversing camera, and Ford's brilliant heated windscreen. Absolute magic on frosty mornings. Step up to ST Line, and you're looking at a 360-degree camera, electric tailgate, and adaptive cruise control. Not bad at all. Space-wise, the Kuga plays it smart. The rear seats slide back and forth, so you can choose between maximum legroom or boot space. It's not the biggest in class, but it's more than enough for most families. And if you're worried about the hybrid batteries eating into your cargo space, don't be. Ford has packaged everything really well. Let's talk about the drive. The hybrid powertrains are smooth and efficient, though the CVT transmission takes some getting used to. Want all-wheel drive? You'll need to look at the active trim with either hybrid setup. It's not a hardcore off-roader, but it'll handle a muddy field or snowy road without breaking a sweat. Now for the real talk. What's not so great? Well, those seats could be more comfortable on long journeys. The interior quality, while improved, still isn't quite up there with the best in class. And if you're used to a traditional automatic, that CVT might drive you crazy for the first few weeks. But here's the thing. Despite these niggles, the Kuga is genuinely likable. It's one of those rare family SUVs that doesn't make you feel like you've given up on driving enjoyment. It's practical enough for family life, efficient enough to keep fuel bills reasonable, and actually fun when you find a twisty road. For 2025, Ford has created something that stands out in a crowded market. The Kuga isn't perfect, but it's got character. It's an SUV that proves you don't have to choose between practicality and driving pleasure. You can have both. So, should you buy one? If you want a family SUV that doesn't send you to sleep behind the wheel, absolutely. Just think carefully about which wheels you choose, and maybe skip the massage at the dealership to get yourself some comfy seat cushions instead. And that's our take on the 2025 Ford Kuga. Drop a comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.